perfect weather for a hearty, plant-based beef stew. Garnished with oil-free Gremolata and a vegan Parmesan, you will have an easy, elegant meal.
1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then I have broad Italian leaf parsley here. I suppose you could use cilantro, but some of us in this household do not like the taste of cilantro. This garnish just adds such a fresh, zesty flavor to any Italian dish. It is such a nice garnish or condiment to have on the side. So just run your knife through, chop up the parsley. We're going to need, eventually when I get it minced down, 3 tablespoons. This made just a little over 3 tablespoons of minced parsley, but that's all I need. I can add a little bit more. These measurements are approximate. I need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Be careful when you're zesting the lemons. You just want the yellow part. You don't want to get down to the white part of the lemon because that will make it bitter. So be careful just to take the yellow part off of the lemon. It turns out that 1 lemon, one of these sizes of lemons that I have here, makes 1 tablespoon. So I need the zest of 2 lemons for this recipe. Give this mixture a stir so that everything is incorporated. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of applesauce, and this is in place of the oil. It actually adds a little bit of sweetness, hardly detectable. Of course, make sure you have unsweetened applesauce. A little bit of salt and pepper just to taste. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. And give that a stir and let it marinate a little bit. It's such a fresh, citrusy, garlicky condiment. It's lovely.
Yum! I tell you, this looks really good. And we've got this lovely Gremolata, oil-free. Oh, the garlic and the lemon, it just is wonderful. I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. Those flavors, this tastes like a very fancy meal. If you found some good information in this video, please give me a comment below, like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you know when another vegan plant-based recipe is posted. Let me know what you think. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.